In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a CRM in Asana, whether you're managing clients, tracking sales, or simply trying to organize customer interactions. Setting up a CRM inside Asana can completely transform the way you work. Let's dive in and get everything set up using Asana's built-in tools and templates. To begin, I'll assume you're already logged into your account. From your Asana home screen, you'll want to focus on the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Projects. Just beside that, there's a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will bring up several options from which you should choose New Project. This is essentially where your CRM will be housed. Asana provides a few different ways to start a new project. For the purpose of building a CRM, we'll take advantage of the Use a Template option. Templates are incredibly useful because they offer a robust structure from the get-go, which means no need to build our CRM entirely from scratch. Once you select Use a Template, click on Find Inspiration from Templates, and you'll find a wide range of options ready to explore. Now, since we're focusing on setting up a CRM, scroll down to the Sales section. This is where you're going to find most CRM-related templates. I'd recommend expanding your search by clicking Show More Templates. This will provide you with multiple choices like client account management, customer feedback, and the sales pipeline. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using the sales pipeline template. It's specifically designed to track customer journeys right from that initial interaction all the way through to closing a deal. Once you locate the sales pipeline template, click on Use Template. You'll then be prompted by Asana to select a team or workspace location for your new project. Choose an option that best fits your organizational needs or the team responsible for customer management, and then hit Create Project. Just like that, you've set up your CRM in Asana. With the foundation now in place, you can move on to customizing your pipeline. Here's where you can start adding clients, assigning various tasks, and tailoring everything to fit seamlessly into your workflow. Having this system in place undeniably simplifies the process of managing client relationships and keeping track of your sales operations. It streamlines interactions and lets you and your team focus more on nurturing those relationships instead of getting bogged down by logistics. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials that can help streamline your workflow and boost your efficiency.